Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer time tracking from Toggl to Harvest, full guide step by step clearly. To start transferring your time tracking from Toggl to Harvest, log in to your Toggl account. Navigate to the Reports section and select the time entries you wish to export. Choose the date range for the entries you want to transfer. Once you've made your selection, look for the Export option. Select the format you would like to export your data in, typically CSV is preferred. Download the file to your computer. Next, log in to your Harvest account. Navigate to the Time section in Harvest. Here, look for the option to import time entries. Select the CSV file you downloaded from Toggl. Make sure to map the fields correctly based on the Toggl export. Check if all time entries are aligned as expected. Once everything looks good, proceed with the import. After the import is complete, review your time entries in Harvest. Ensure that the transferred data corresponds to what you had in Toggl. If there are discrepancies, double-check your mapping and retry the import. You have now successfully transferred your time tracking data from Toggl to Harvest. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.